Alright, hey you, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So today we're coming with a quickie, something I want to incorporate going forward. So today's quickie is the Luna Magic Vava Pink. This is a lash primer. So my question for you guys is, does a lash primer work? If you'd like to hear my take on a lash primer, if it works or if it doesn't, definitely stay tuned for the video.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds, somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
Guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So all right, so the product we're using today is called Vava Pink Lash Primer Base. So question, the quickie the quickie for today is, does lash primer work? So of course I'm gonna do one eye with the lash primer and then one without. Here's the product, Vava Pink Luna Magic. All right, so I'm just gonna zoom you guys in. I'm gonna do this lash with the primer, and I'm just gonna really make sure I get the product on, and really at this point I want to make sure I style my lashes. I don't know, I remember when I worked at MAC, they always, taught us to, make sure you're styling the lash. So how you want it, I kind of flare mine out a little bit, and then I like a heavy bottom on my my bottom lashes. So I'm just going to go ahead and style my lash. So I'm gonna really try to get down to the root of my lash and then just push that up. And then my outer corners, there's always a few that I can't seem to get. I'm just going to swing those back a little bit and up. So basically I'm styling my lash like it would be a flare lash. You can see that, right? All right, I'm gonna do my bottom. My bottom, the same thing. I like to hold my lash brush vertical. All right, and we're just going to, same thing, just really get in there and style your lash how you want it styled. And I'm gonna try to get every lash. That's pretty impressive. All right, so for mascara, I have a little mascara in my bag that I'm looking for. Here it is. All right, and for mascara, I'm using Lash Idol by Lancome. It's just a little sample mascara. There we go. Idol by Lancome. Okay. I'm gonna do this lash first with the mascara. Same thing, I'm gonna really try to get down to the root and style my lash how I want it styled. Do you guys, when you apply your mascara, do you try to get like down to the root? Like, how detailed are you when you're putting on your mascara? Do you try to get every lash? All right, same thing for the bottom. And I'm just going to do my normal lash application when I'm applying my mascara. Again, I like it a little heavy at the bottom. So what I do is just let that sit for a minute. I have a fan somewhere. There it is. Let that dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna go right back in with another coat because I like it again a little heavy at the bottom. All right, so there's the lash without the primer, and I'm gonna just let you guys look at it just for a second just to see if you can see a difference already. Let me know if you can see a difference or not. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this one with the primer on it. I want to make sure I bring you guys in so you can see. And same thing, I'm going to try to get down to the root of the lash. And then I'm going to go on top just a little bit. Just to color that primer. Try to as much as possible. Oops. I hate when I get mascara on my eyelid. All right, let's do the bottom. You can see how the mascara just really grabs that primer. Do you guys see a difference? All right, so I'm gonna let you guys look at that really quick. Lash primer without lash primer. All right, so that is it for this video. So what did you guys think? So will you incorporate a lash primer in your mascara routine? Definitely drop that information down below. I would love to read you guys' comments. All right, so that is it for this video, guys. So if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRHMAKEUP, and also my second handle for TikTok, that's _beauty_over40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.